Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. For the pattern we need to make some chains, and it has to be multiple of 11. What we have to do after we make the size we like, we are going to start by insert the hook in the first one and grab the yarn, and we keep continue to do that until we have 11 loops on the hook. Just insert the hook in the chain, grab the yarn like that until we have 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. When we have 11 stitches, we are going to chain the first one. Then we take these two loops together like that. When it comes in the middle, we're going to take these three together. Then again we take it 2 by 2. For the pattern, we start by 11 stitches. In each row we are going to decrease until we have only 1. So it means that in this row we are going to have only 9 stitches. I said 2, 3, 4. I consider these 3 as 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we repeat again by chain the first one. Then we take 2 loops together. When it comes in that part, as you can see, it's time to take the 3 together like this. And then for the rest of the loops, we are going to take it 2 by 2. Now in this row we have to have 7. So we get 2, 3, this one, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we repeat again by chain the first one, then the other 2 loops. When it comes in the middle like that, we have to take it 3. In this row we have to have 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We chain the first one. Now again we are in that part. We make these 3 together and the last one. Now we are going to have 3, 1. I'm going to take the last one. As you can see, I have only 3 left. I'm going to make this one together and then chain 1. This is the first row. Now it's time to make another pattern like this. For the rest of the chain, what we have to do, we have to insert the hook here and make a slip stitch to bring the yarn to that part. Just do it one by one in the chain and make a slip stitch like that. Now when it comes to that part, we are going to grab the yarn 11 times. So when we have 11 loops, now I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now it's time to make it again like this. What we have to do, we are going to chain the first one, then the other two, when it comes in the middle, I'm going to take these three together. After that, we take 2 loops like this. We are going to repeat to make 9 loops. So I'm going to take this one, these 3 together, and then again try by take it 2 by 2. When it comes in that part, we're going to take it these 3 together and keep continuing. We're going to repeat that pattern like the one we did here, and I'll be back. I repeat the pattern like the one we made in the first one until I have 3 loops. I'm going to make this all together, chain 1, and now this is the time to cut the yarn. And then after that, it's time to start another color. As you can see here, always in front, in right side and left side, we have to make half pattern like that for edge. So we are going to change the color and I'll show you how to make. Now is the time to make that part and the one in the middle and the other part at the end. As you can see here in the pattern also, we have to make it half pattern. What we have to do, just I make one slip knot, and from this chain I'm going to insert the hook, then take this yarn and like this. Now I'm going to make 5 chain, 2, 4, 5. Okay, then we are going to repeat the pattern by insert the hook in the chain and grab the yarn 5 times. So now I have 5 loops. I'm going to insert the hook in the first chain and second chain to make it in 7. When we have 7 loops, we are going to start by take these 3 together and the rest we make it 2 by 2. Now we repeat by take and grab the yarn. As you can see here, this time I have 4 loops. I'm going to take these 3. Now I have 5. I take 1 more. I have 6. Then repeat by take these first 3 together. The rest 2 by 2. Repeat. As you can see now I have 3 loops. I take this one as a 4th and take 1 more here. Then again take this 3, 2 by 2. Now I have 2 loops, 3, and insert the hook again in the same stitches. When it comes in these 3, just make it 1 and the last one like this. Now what we have to do, insert my hook here on the top of this pattern and make 1 slip stitch. Now it's time to start to make the pattern like this in the middle. What we have to do, we are going to grab the yarn in each chain. I insert my hook and grab the yarn 11 times. 1, actually I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one 11. And we repeat the pattern like row 1, just change the first one, then the other one 2 by 2, when it comes in the middle I'm going to take these 3 together, and then for the rest of the loops I'm going to make it 2 by 2. Repeat again. This time I have to have 11 stitches. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We repeat again, but make the first one, then 2 by 2. When it comes to that part, we are going to make it in 3 loops. The rest 2 by 2. And again we repeat that part like this pattern until we have 1 left. As you can see here, I already make that one like the first pattern. When it comes to the 3 loops, I'm going to make it 1 chain, and we are going to make a slip stitch like that for each chain to bring the yarn here in that part to make another half pattern for that part. Now it's time to make that part. The way we are going to use to make the pattern here is a little bit different from that part. What we have to do, insert the hook in the first one and make a slip stitch. Then we need to grab the yarn 6 times, 4, 5, and 6. So for this part we are going to have 6 loops. We are going to start by chain 2 by 2 and repeat the pattern until we have only 1 left. So this time we should have only 5 loops. I'm going to take these 2 together as 1. Now I have 5. Then make it 2 by 2, repeat. This time I have 4 loops. Repeat 3, and then I have 2, make it together, chain 1, and then this is the time to cut the yarn. This is the way we are going to do the other side. Now it's time again to change the color to make another pattern here between this and this. Now it's time to change the color. I insert my hook in that chain, take the is a color, and then now it's time to make 11 loops. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we repeat by chain the first one, then 2 by 2, when it comes in the middle, I'm going to make it again these 3 together. The rest it should be again 2 by 2, like that. And you repeat the pattern like this, exactly like the same rows. When it comes to the one, you are going to have do the slip stitch, and then take these 11 stitches and repeat the pattern. If you repeat these 2 models after a few rows, you are going to have the pattern like this. This is the front side and back side. When you finish, you have to just cover the extra yarn you have, like the one I did. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.